Hey there, KIP enthusiasts. Welcome back to another insightful episode of KIP Insights. Today, we're delving into the world of manufacturing and exploring why this industry is a prime candidate for wide format printing solutions. All right, let's dive in and uncover why manufacturing, often overlooked in the realm of wide format printing, is actually a goldmine for KIP systems. Manufacturing, a cornerstone of the technical print market, encompasses a vast array of industries, from automotive and aerospace to industrial equipment and beyond. These sectors rely heavily on technical prints to design and fabricate their products, making wide format printing indispensable. Unlike the AEC market, where prints are publicly shared, manufacturing designs are closely guarded as intellectual property. This means manufacturers must have their own wide format print systems for printing any documents larger than a 12 by 18. When engaging with manufacturing clients, it's not a matter of if they need a wide format printer, but rather what their specific printing needs entail. Within the manufacturing realm, designers, engineers, and drafters often rely on wide format printing for technical drawings and diagrams. These prints need to be durable and legible for use on the shop or plant floor, fostering effective communication during the production process. Additionally, KIP systems empower manufacturers to produce vibrant business color prints and signage, such as labor law posters, safety notices, and directional signage. These prints serve critical functions within the facility and can be managed by different departments, necessitating effective communication and collaboration. One unique printing need in manufacturing is folding. Many customers are unaware of automated folding systems that streamline the process, eliminating the need for manual folding. By addressing such needs, KIP solutions enhance efficiency and productivity in manufacturing environments. Manufacturing demands a versatile printing solution that can handle a wide variety of print jobs, from technical drawings to business signage. Reliability is paramount, as downtime can significantly impact operations. KIP software simplifies print management, allowing operators to create, reorder, and customize print sets with ease. Moreover, robust tracking features ensure budgetary compliance and accountability across departments. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at why manufacturing is a prime market for KIP wide format printing solutions. Until next time, stay tuned for more valuable insights from KIP. Happy printing!